Alright, let's go over how to draw Cattiva from Palworld. Alright, real simple, easy for beginners. So let's just follow this step by step and you're going to be able to draw this in 5 minutes, okay? So by the end of 5 minutes, you'll be able to draw it. Let's do it. Curve right here for the top of the head. Off over here for one ear. Curve down. We're going to follow this for kind of rolling into the side of the head a little bit there. We're going to go over here to the front of the head, and there's going to be some hair sticking up. And curve down. So it's bigger in the middle, kind of, and then it's smaller at the bottom and the top. Okay? It's kind of like this hair thing going on. And then over here, it's a smaller one. Out over there. Out over there. For the far side ear. Down a little bit. Curve down. Okay. So far, so good. And now we're going to have the slope of the front of the face. It's going to curve right here. Over here at the bottom. Curve around here. And over here on this side. Out. Down. Out. Down. It's kind of like almost like these tendrils from the side of his face. And I'm going to connect this line on this far side. Now over here I'm going to go out, in, out, in. All right. Now let's go into the eyes really quick. And we're going to go over here and I'm going to circle right there for the eye. It's going to be like a coin on its side. So it's slightly turned away from us, the eye. And over here, this eye is going to face us more. So it's going to be more of like a regular egg shape. Angle down. He is determined right there. The eye is determined. Curve. Curve. Circle. Circle. Right there for the highlights inside. And let's go kind of like, so the nose you would think would be here, but it's not. It's actually lower than that. So right here. And the little mouth shape. Almost looks like a little mustache, but it's not. Let's go over here. You can see the inner part of the ear over here. Curve out over here. Down. All right. Continue this far end. Out over here. In. Out over here. In. Armpit. Armpit over here. Down. Curve. Down over here. Out. Line. Okay. And down the foot here, flat on the floor. Out. Curve up. All right. That's 1 foot on one side. Don't forget to hit the like button. I forgot to say that. If you like Palworld, if you like learning how to draw Palworld, hit the like. It definitely does a lot for the algorithm, and it lets people know, you know, what lets me know what to do more of. Curve over here. And let's go over here. We're going to find a tail back there. It's kind of a swirl in the tail, but you're barely going to see the edge of the swirl maybe. Down, out, up. Alrighty, let's keep it going here. Draw a curve, 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 curve for the feet. And now kind of like in that chest area, there's going to be a discoloration. So out, down. Out over here, down. Curve over here. And one last thing you can do is draw a thick line around the outer edge, and it's going to contain the character. It's going to make it look a little bit more like a sticker, which, by the way, we have a sticker store. You can find it on the new blog at sketchmonsterart.com. I didn't put the link anywhere, but you know, I'll put it on the front page. But you can check out the stickers, you can check out other classes that we might have to kind of help learn to draw, but go take a look at that. Line over here, up, over here. Again, just following the outside as if it was like a silhouette. All right, just gonna keep it going here. So what I want you to do is I want you to stay with me and we're gonna do another lesson. The first thing I want you to do is share the video. Share the video, comment. I wanna know what your favorite character is in Palworld. Otherwise though, stay with me and we're gonna do another lesson together, okay? So stay with me right now. We're gonna go into the lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.